It's really rusty into here. Don't buy a Northeast truck. Don't come to the Northeast. Just stay away. What's up, guys, and welcome back. We're doing more truck stuff today. We're gonna finish the exhaust off and get this thing so that it's not so disgustingly loud. A lot of you guys really liked how loud it sounded when it was open header, but I and my neighbors do not. So we have some pipe. I also picked up a few flanges and a universal cat. Spark plug non-foulers because they work as O2 sensor bungs and gaskets. Oh god. So I think I have everything that I need to complete the exhaust at this point. I bought a tailpipe like months ago because the tailpipe brought it out, but then the rest of the exhaust just kind of went fast. So let's get this lined up, kind of see where we stand, and then go from there. I don't know, let's see. So here's where we left off. Nice fresh header, whole lot of nothing, Borla muffler. So this whole lot of nothing is what we have to fill in with both the catalytic converter, which I think is gonna go right in this space, and the pipe. So I have a flange bolted up. This is my universal cat. And it's gonna go like that. This is gonna be mostly straight, I believe. So the muffler I still left hanging. So we're gonna say like here, we'll leave a little extra. Nice. Okay, we are fully mocked up. We have the flange in there, and I have the new cat. Got my pipe going all the way back to the muffler. It's really just time to weld it, but this all looks pretty good so far. So let's put a couple of tacks, and then we'll pull it out and we'll fully weld it. Yay! Time to unbolt it and do a full weld on it. Muffler is hung, like ya boy. I'm kidding, I got a little dick. Bolts fit, that's a good sign. We just have to do the tailpipe, but let's see how much better she sounds now with a proper exhaust system. That is so much better. All right, it's another day now. I don't even know what day it is anymore, but we're gonna finish the tailpipe. I never actually did this because we had spring, and then I was like, yay, let's do the exhaust. And then winter came back, and I was like, oh shit, I can't do the exhaust. So spring is back, so we're gonna do the tailpipe, finish this thing off. I was stupid. When I did the rear bumper, you can click here for that video, I was stupid and I cut the hanger because I thought that I needed to clear this, but I probably didn't need to do that. So we're gonna have to do a little clothes hanger sort of thing for the back, but it's fine. So this goes up and over there, like so. Clothes hanger solution, because I live in the hood anyway, so this has to come right about like that. So we're gonna need to make a little 90, and instead of just buying a 90, why don't I make a couple of pie cuts, since this is a YouTube build anyway, and we gotta make it look fancy. So I'll do some pie cuts and try and get a 90 out of that. I have some pipe left over, so yeah, let's try that. Let's see how that works. pie cut. All right, so let's position this and see what we get. I got something I think might work. It is not at all the prettiest selection of pie cuts, but I've never actually done pie cuts before, so I don't know. It should work. I think it'll work. I guess we'll find out. Pie cuts and burger welds. Looks like hell, but you know, it's a YouTube build, so you gotta have pie cuts. Let's put this thing in the truck, and we gotta weld this to the muffler now, put gaskets and all that, and then we're done. All right, new nasty pipe is in. And now I'm just gonna hit it with a tack weld right around here, just so that it stays on the muffler exactly where I want it. Then we're gonna pull this whole thing out, weld it fully, paint it, and put it back in. Almost done with this, what, 8-week project now? Or maybe it's been longer. I don't know. Tailpipe's out. And mid-pipe's out. So this is the pipe that we made earlier in the episode. For me, it was like 2 months ago. And here's the piece we just made. Got it tack welded into the muffler, just gotta finish burgering it in, and then we're done. Then we gotta put it back in, and we gotta paint it. Okay, we're not done yet, but we're almost done. Exhaust is fully boogered up. Time to keep it from rusting, because beach truck. And the exhaust is fully assembled. So we have to start it up and rev it. We just have to. It's the rule. So let's see how she sounds. I got a feeling it's gonna sound really, really mean. Take it for a drive? Let's go. Ooh. I like that. I like that a lot. Not bad. 2 months later, we made it to the end of the video. Fantastic. I know you guys love this thing, so we're gonna keep doing more stuff. So make sure you subscribe, hit that like button, and I'll see you guys next Taco Tuesday.